National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:08 p.m., an extremely dangerous severe thunderstorm was located over Tinley Park, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Grant Park, Lowell, Cedar Lake, and Winfield. Hazard: tornado-like wind speeds in excess of 100 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Expect considerable damage to homes and businesses. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Merrillville, Schererville, Hobart, Crown Point, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Momence, Dyer, St. John, University Park, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Monee, Winfield, Lake Dalecarlia, Grant Park, Shelby, and Schneider. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.